Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. Today I went to Costco and I bought these pens which I've been meaning to buy. They are the Thermal Bond technology. They are hybrid 3-ply stainless steel pens. I think it says 3 pieces. I don't know if there's 3 pens in there or 3 pieces. I don't know if it's the cover or not. But anyways, I'm going to do unboxing of this. I've always meaning to buy them. They're apparently really good because they are not Teflon coated, so which is very good. So I want to stop using Teflon pens. So this one, what it is actually here, it's a non-stick coating paired with powerful elected cube pattern. And it does have, the rest is in French, so I'm going to read on this side. So it does have something called, it's a ceramic non-stick, and you can apparently use steel spatulas and stuff, and the coating doesn't go. And I'm gonna open it and see what's in the box and share this with you guys. So I am very excited to cook in these pans. I'll do another video of how the cooking review is, but today I'm just unboxing this to show you what comes in the box, okay? So I'm gonna open it up. It's very well packed, that's for sure. Oh my God. Okay, so I've opened the box. Let me lower my camera so you guys can see what's inside the box. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I think this is, oh my God. See, I really use all these size of pens. So this one is the smallest one. Wow, it looks amazing. Very high quality steel pen. So that's number 1. And it does have a little manual. It says how to take care of the pens that take care of you. I love that. Wow. So I can just quickly have a read. So it says, open it up, remove all packaging, get it clean. Hand wash your pan in warm soap water, then rinse and dry it thoroughly with a soft cloth. And then you preheat your pan, performs best when preheated. Give your pan 90 seconds on moderate heat before adding oil. Okay, so you gotta preheat the pan. And then you do that, okay? And then the fundamentals are turn down the heat. Our pans heat faster than others. Use moderate heating settings. Make sure the pan doesn't get too hot, otherwise it will burn your oil. Wow, so that's very good. Don't use spray oils. Oh wow, okay, don't use that. Always use little bit of oil or butter. Never use cooking sprays. Use softer tools. Silicone utensils are best and will extend the life of the coating. Okay, so I would think I wouldn't want to use the steel one anyways. Always clean your pan thoroughly after each use. Leftover oils can create a sticky buildup over time. Use over time. Every non-stick coating wears out eventually, but how long it lasts depends on how you use it. Oil, lower heat, hand washing, a longer life. Okay, so I don't think it's telling you to put it in the dishwasher, it seems. So I would probably clean and care. So it says wash up. Our pans are easy to clean with soft sponge brush, and they are also dishwasher safe, although we suggest hand washing to prolong the. So guys, in this manual, you can see there is this do's and don'ts. I really like that because it just gives you clearly wash your pan by hand and dish soap. Let your cookware cool before washing. Clean with a soft sponge or brush. Carefully store and stack your pans. Use an aniline sponge to wipe away stubborn burn on oils. Okay, so that's it. And it says don't use abrasive detergent. Don't clean with the steel wool. No. Plunge a hot pan in a cold water. No, you need to let the pan cool. Overheat your pan or burn on oils, okay? So these are the do's and don'ts. I will take a picture, put it in this video so you guys can have a look. But this is a great little manual. I'm sure you can find it online as well. But it's a very nice one. I like it. So that was my small pan. Now the other ones I have this other one, like a medium pan. I like it. These are very, very well built pans. I really think they are amazing. And there is this big one. Look at this humongous one. I like it. Very nice. So, in this packaging, I got 3 pans, as you can see. 1, 2, and 3. It is a very good deal because even the handle is totally steel. So you can definitely, can't go wrong with it, okay? So thank you for watching, and I hope you get a chance to buy these pans and enjoy your cooking because they look amazing. So I'll cook them and I'll give you a review of how they are. But so far so good. Thank you for watching and sharing my videos with your family and friends. Have a good night.